Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So because we have x, so I will put number 4 go to the left. So that should be u square minus number 4 equals to x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. The square root we change for u. X we change for this one. Dx we change for this one. So number 2 I will put in here. U and u we simplify. So the integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. So I will put number 2 plus 1, we have number 3. This one we have for u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.